a mang a mabenkele a dijo le dikgwebo tse ding a lahlelwa ke kuno ka lebaka la mokgahlelo hodimo wa kimollo ya motlakase.
You can't make money when there's no business, and if it continues like this, I don't know, a lot of businesses will close down.
A lot of times the inverters didn't charge properly, and then we have to make alternatives like get a flashlight and just get our speakers out of the car.
Bommasepala ba bang ba sebedisa maano a bona a ho fehla motlakase.
To create our own generation capacity, so to enhance Mokgahlelo City's energy independence. This is a waste-to-energy plant. It'll envision to generate 72 megawatts, which is about 50% of our monthly usage.
Ka ho le leng dikhamphane tsa di-insurance di re di amohela dikopo tse ngata tsa ditshenyehelo tsa thepa ya motlakase tse kang dihatsetsi le dithelevishene.
We've seen an increase last year, about 60% of claims relating to appliances, relating to load shedding, and that results in power surge claims as well.
Bareki ba eletswa hore ba time disebediswa tsa bona tsa motlakase nakong ya kimollo ya motlakase e le ho fokotsa ditshenyehelo.